My name is Evelyn. I'm a senior research scientist at the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, Food Research Institute. My specialty is in the area of food product development and sensory evaluation. The title of the project is Overripe Plantain Puree, a healthier and cost-effective partial substitute for wheat flour and sugar in the baking industry. The project seems to investigate the incorporation of overripe plantain as a puree substitute for wheat and complete replacement of sugar in bakery products. The product that were developed from the puree included cake, donuts, oatmeal cookies, buns, shortbread, which all uses sugar. The project developed a manual from the Overripe Plantain Puree, its production and its utilization in the bakery products. The project also trained 21 bakers on the utilization of the Overripe Plantain Puree in the production of oatmeal cookies and shortbread cookies, rock buns, and other products. Lastly, the project set up a pilot plant for the production of the Overripe Plantain Puree to make it accessible to bakers who want to try and later on commercialize. What motivated me to do this project was the personal observation I had when I went to the Abublushi market. It's a plantain satellite market in Accra, where there were issues of overripe plantain during the bumper. And reflecting on this possibility, I agreed to in consonance with the green technology and circular energy that the country is also talking about. And as part of my PhD research, I tried to use this plantain puree in various bakery products to help cut down on post-harvest losses. I made sure that the overripe plantain, which has low market value, when it's in the green state, the economic value is so high. But as it starts ripening from the green stage to the firm and to the overripe stage, where the market value is low, it ends up to cause a lot of post-harvest issues. And we have a lot of economic loss, both physical in the market that generates unwanted products. Secondly, the overripe plantain also has a lot of waste, which we are now recycling, using less water in the preparation of the puree. And the disposal of the waste of the plantain can be used as compost for mushroom cultivation or to feed other ruminants. That's helping to help the environmental sustainability. We all know that climate change has negative effects on food security. So with this project in place, we will see that if there is bumper, assuming there's low rainfall pattern experienced in this year, with the help of the puree, we'll be able to preserve enough plantain to make it more available during the lean season or when the rainfall pattern shifts due to climate change. And we also believe that it will help people to also take record of whatever is going on in terms of food shortage. Because when there's famine and there's no food for people to eat, it becomes a problem. But with this project, climate change can affect food security rights, but we can also have means of storing food or means of making food available, plantain being available all year round in times of climate change. The project included gender in every aspect. From the basic from the proposal stage, we incorporated a take-up person or a product uptaker who is a baker, who is a woman. The company name was Baker's Relish. So she has been our focal person throughout this project. And when we are doing the training to transfer the technology to the end users, we included female. The total number was 21, of which 12 of them were female, with 9 being male. The 12% representing 57.1%, and the 9 female representing 42.9%. And as a matter of fact, most of the bakers that we trained also have their apprentices and their workers being female and children who are ready to take up the technology or for future generation, creating job for the youth and other people who are also in need of job. Whilst implementing the projects, one observation that we realized was that the plantain puree we prepared was not shelf stable. So to make it more sustainable, there's a need to extend the shelf life of the products so that bakers can easily or make it readily and friendly available for the bakers to use. So for sustainability's sake, we want to really research into how we can make the product shelf stable and readily available for people to use, so that at least the technology will not be will not die out. We can still sustain it, make it readily available and marketable. Wherever you find yourself, you get the plantain puree to buy. And secondly, we would like also to run periodic trainings for the bakers and other interested people who might want to use for income generation, and also extend it to other parts of Ghana and Africa as a whole.